We are with Rochelle Beck, and we are at the KW Big Island office here on the Hilo side.
That's right. Can we take a tour?
Yes, let's go.
Are you guys like Mr. Rock? You have to change sweaters and shoes?
Sometimes.
So what we got here, Rochelle? You
Yes, Rochelle, what are we looking at?
So we've got our home away from home. KW Big Island, this is where we are. This is our second home for a lot of our agents. There's 25 plus, even though there's 69 total.
Oh, here they
It
are.
houses 25 plus
Right here, here
of
they
our
are.
agents here, right?
Yes.
Yep. These are the agents. We've got
Superstar.
awesome. We've got a conference room for all of the private times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Conversations, and then we do
hugs.
seven hugs every day.
Seven hugs
hugs
a
every day.
What else we got?
We've got our open lobby. This is where we have additional
And
conversations.
Rochelle, what's this? I love all of these.
This is
little
our
boards
vision
here.
boards. It's
What
our
is
vision
this?
boards that we do on a regular basis. We do annual vision boards so we can kind of have a testament of their goals.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, and then
We got pizza. Pizza.
What's your name, sir?
Okay.
Hi with the
By the
pizza.
way, you just signed the photo release. Walking in the door. You gotta take care of
Awesome. Very cool. Yes, I do.
Take care of This is
Okay.
like for a real kind of video.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay is dropping off our goodies for this afternoon. We've got a
Yes.
great class this afternoon with the Lally team. And so he's dropping off our snap this afternoon. So thank you very much. You can put it right here.